Hello everyone. Welcome back. Another video to expose myself, another video to expose my past, another video to expose even my present. I expose my present as well because what happened in my past, sometimes it comes back, but in another way. Okay. So when I had taken a decision to say, let me stop having sex at the young age and focus on my studies and it's fine, and focus on my schoolwork and church as well. I remember at that time indaba yami yokukhonza at that time ngangikhonza even at a young age. Ngaqala ukuba serious. Okay, so since I'm exposing my past, I also started with, why did I do that? Why was I engaging in sex at an early age and then hide as if I'm not doing that? Why did I do that? Okay. Sometimes ezinye iy'mpendulo angakayitholi, but then ezinye ngiyayithola. So ezinye mangiyithola, I come back. Yeah. On my previous video, I said sometimes i-past yam iphinde izongilandela, is still following me up. Indaba yezocansi ukuthi since I engaged at a young age, and then kunento ethi angibuyele. So at the age of 18, ngesikhathi ngibuyela, ngangazi ukuthi ngiyayilimaza and ngangazi ukuthi I'm being used by the devil. I didn't know anything about the spiritual warfare by then. Not that now I know fully, I'm still learning. And then senginengane futhi. So I also didn't know ukuthi firstborn isixabene, of course, nengane yomntwana, but lo muntu esengilala naye umuntu engamazi, umuntu engihlane naye nje emgwaqweni lapho silokho njalo nomngani wami sizulela nje sithatha i-walk ukuthi emsebenzini during lunch. So sathatha i-walk, we're out of the office, sathatha i-walk, but then umuntu engamazi, and something like that, my friends hooked me up. So lento leyo, I can't even blame my friend. Sengibona manje ukuthi no, the devil wants to use me ukuthi ngilalane, wants me to have sex noma kanjani. So now into angilinga ngayo uyenza kanje. Okay, so khona lento manje ngifuna ukuyisho ukuthi kanti yini lento eyadala ukuthi ngiqhamule i-decision yami enhle kanje ukuthi at the age of 14 I decided ukuthi no, let me stop having sex, let me take the advice yalaba basivakashela base-Denmark. Kwabelungu kodwa kwakhona umuntu omnyama lapho, so to translate, musi English ngesinye isikhathi suke ingabi ingezwakali, so wayikhona I think wayitranslate leyasisi. Yeah, so when I realized ukuthi okay, at the age of 14 ngiyeka, but I continued having a relationship because I remember there was someone that engangizwana naye, ngangithandana naye umfana at that time, and I remember I was going a different school. Yeah, but uthe masengibuza ke ku relationship yethu, uthe mangibuza ukuthi am I still a virgin, ngathi yes. I lied, and by that time usho ukuthi ngakhohlwa ukuthi konje, no, I'm a second virgin, I'm no longer the original virgin from my mom's stomach, from my father's loins to my mom's stomach. I forgot. Kwavuka manga. So I'm thinking which that's the reason why I broke my decision, my covenant to myself, my vow to myself. Ukuthi ngizoba second virgin, I'll stop I forgot to remind myself ukuthi, or I forgot to tell myself ukuthi I'm now a second virgin. So whoever engithandana naye, I must tell him. Lutho ngizange ngasho kanjani uqamamanga. So lawa amanga manje mangistadisha le ndaba spiritual realm nanokuthi life is spiritual. The devil took those words athi niyamuzwa ke uqamamanga. Take a decision right, because religion also taught me ukuthi the devil is dumb. The devil is not dumb, guys. It's not. The devil is wise, but his wisdom is corrupt. The devil knows everything. He was there when my mom grew up. He was there when my granny grew up. So he knows my granny's life. He knows my mommy's life. He knows my life. So he knows ukuthi mangathi 10 left 10 right 10 left 10 right uyazi ukuthi ungifita ngani kodwa makathi 10 left ngizwe ukuthi hayi na uqalile uSathane ngingammameli sezoqala ukuthi declare war, because every time everything that he does, he wants it to be a secret, and he wants me to believe ukuthi the devil won't do anything to me, yet he is doing something to me. So with that lie, since I'm learning about spiritual things now, it's okay. It's the lie that destroyed my confidence. It's the lie that destroyed my decision. And I went back at the age of 18. I was supposed, and then at the age of 18, when I was feeling to go back, now since I've finished matric, I can continue lalana because engikhulile. What makes me feel even namanje when I remember is that it was the time when my husband, I'm not talking about the father of my firstborn child. I'm talking about my husband, who is my husband, who married me. Abamazi kaya githi, yes, the father of my firstborn, bayamazi. But the one that married me now is the one that approached me. Then, because of these laws, law or rules that were being taught in my church, in those churches that we go to, hey, yazini, yo, I religion, no. And I've realized the religion was not a specific organization. Religion is following those set of beliefs that they whosoever started that organization, even if it started with the verse, that's why the devil makes sure we don't know is wise, just that his wisdom is corrupted. The devil is not dumb, because he uses the verses to twist us. Ukholwe lento ikholwa kanti wenza ngazithi umqondo wakho ocabanga leyo nto, wena ocabanga leyo nto, and masuyimoshile futhi uyakukhomba athi buka sewenzeni manje. So when my husband, who is my husband now, approached me, ngavinjwa ireligion, wabona na ukuthi ngiyamthanda. Hayi nami ngiyayikhumbula ukuthi ngangisemathandweni. Hayi kodwa na ireligion yangibamba shiq. Ngavela ngathi for us ukuthi siqhubeke sithandana, yabona uthando lethu lube official, asenzeni phuma la okhonza khona uze kweyami inkonzo. So kusho ukuthi by then yena wayevele se-understand izinto ezinye. Athi I know, ngiphume kweyami inkonzo ngize kweyakho. No, I won't do that. So when he said that, I saw uthando ukuthi asoze kube yilona, because angithi manje I'm being told ukuthi kufanele ukuthi umuntu I'm being told at that time, because I'm an ex-Adventist, I'm an ex-Seventh-day Adventist. So I was told ukuthi Seventh-day Adventist is the only church that will go to heaven. So I was thinking, okay, if he doesn't want to come to my church, then We'll go to hell, and I don't want to go to hell. I remember. I said, no, I don't want to go to hell. I don't want to get burned. I don't want to go to hell. So what? Amyeka. That's where izinto ezammosheka khona kakhulu. That I even regret even now. But since I continue to expose myself, I'll expose. Yeah, ibona lapha ya. The devil said 10 left. Ngadibana naye ubhuti sathandana maybe 2 weeks. Then we slept. Ngabukela to that thing. Satisfying the spirit. Has no mang spirit of lust, no mang spirit of what? I don't know whether singaphakathi kwami or the devil uses it. I don't know. My videos are a bit long, and I don't want to do long videos. I want to do just 10 minutes. But now they're already on 11 minutes. Okay, I'll make another one again. I'll make as many videos. I'd rather to be better that way. So, amanga angimoshela I decision yam was going very well, but the lies. Why didn't I tell myself which I'm now a second virgin? Why didn't I explain that to him? Then to appear good, being good is very bad, very, very bad. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye.